Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 6, page number 83, writing task. Write questions keeping the following requirements in mind. First, use do or does or did plus infinitive as appropriate. Next point, don't forget the question mark. Number 1, ask whether they eat meat. Answer, do they eat meat? Next, number 2, ask whether they ate meat. Answer, did they eat meat? Next, number 3, ask whether he likes cycling. Answer, does he like cycling? Yes, he likes cycling. Yes, he does like cycling. Next, number 4, ask whether we went to London. Answer, did we go to London? Yes, we went to London. Yes, we did go to London. Next, number 5, ask whether the monsoon season begins in March. Answer, does the monsoon season begin in March? Yes, the monsoon season begins in March. Yes, the monsoon season does begin in March. Next, number 6, ask whether they took the medicine. Answer, did they take the medicine? Yes, they took the medicine. Yes, they did take the medicine. Next, number 7, ask whether she wants a new bicycle. Answer, does she want a new bicycle? Yes, she wants a new bicycle. Yes, she does want a new bicycle. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.